Partial derivative of a function of several variables is its derivative with respect to one of those variables, with the others held constant. While a higher order partial derivative is a function with multiple variables, a partial derivative of a function of several variables is its derivative with respect to one of those variables, with the others held constant. Right, example number 1. Find the first derivative. Find the first derivative of the function g equals to x cubed plus 2xy minus 3y squared. So you have that one, partial derivative of g with respect to x equals to 3x squared plus 2y minus 0 equals to 3x squared plus 2y. Partial derivative of g with respect to y equals to 0 plus 2x minus 6y, or equals to 2x minus 6y. Right here, find the second partial derivative of g with respect to x squared and second derivative partial derivative of g with respect to x and y, and of course the second derivative partial derivative of g with respect to y in g equals to x e to the power y plus y e to the power x. So your solution will be for letter A, partial derivative of g with respect to x equals to e to the power y times 1 plus y e to the power x times 1, or equals to e to the power y plus y e to the power x. Then partial derivative of second partial derivative of g with respect to partial of x squared equals to 0 plus y e to the power x times 1 equals to y e to the power x. For letter B, partial derivative of g with respect to y equals to x e y times 1 plus e to the power x times 1 equals to x e y plus e x. But you have second partial derivative of g with respect to partial y and x equals to e to the power y times 1 plus e to the power x times 1 equals to e to the power y plus e to the power x. For parcel of g respect to y equals to x e y times 1 plus e to the power x equals to x e to the power y plus e to the power x. Then secant partial derivative of g with respect to y and x equals to x e y plus 0 or equals to x e y. In functions, f of x y equal to x squared y cubed plus x squared y. Find the partial derivative of x there of f and partial derivative of functions with respect to y. So this one. Partial derivative of the function with respect to x equals to 2x y cubed plus 4x cubed y or equals to 3x squared y squared plus x to the power 4. Then partial derivative of secant partial derivative of f over x that 1 equals to partial derivative of x times partial derivative of f x equals to partial derivative of x 2x y cubed plus 4x cubed y equals to 2y cubed plus 12x squared y. Then this one, secant partial derivative of the function respect to y. So partial of y times partial of f partial of y equals to partial of y times 3x squared y squared plus x fourth equals to 6x squared y. Then this one is partial derivative of f over x and y equals to partial of x times partial of f partial of y equals to partial of x times 3x squared y squared plus x fourth equals to 6x y squared plus 4x cubed. But for partial second derivative of f over partial y partial x equals to partial y times partial f partial x equals to partial y times 2x cubed y plus 4x cubed y. So 1 equals to 6x y squared plus 4x cubed. So example, if x equals to 2r cosine alpha, find partial derivative of x with respect to r and with respect to a. So this one. So ang letter A is partial of x, partial of y, no, partial of r equals to 2 cosine alpha times 1 equals to 2 cosine alpha. So on letter A. For letter B, partial of x, partial of alpha partial of r equals to 2r minus sine alpha equals to minus 2r sine alpha. For this example, if the radius of the cylindrical water storage tank is increasing at the rate of 0.03 meters per minute, its height decreases at the rate of 0.01 meters per minute. Find the rate of change in volume when R equals to 4 and H equals to 6. So we have solution. So volume equals to pi R square H dr over dt equals to 0.03 meters per minute. dH over dt minus 0.01 meters per minute. So partial B partial T equals to partial B partial R dr over dt plus partial B partial H times dH over dt, where dV over dt dr or partial B partial R given to be 2 pi RH and dV over dH partial pala. Partial H equals to pi R square. So partial B over partial T equals to 2 pi RH times dr over dt plus pi R square times dH over dt equals to 2 pi 4 6 0.03 plus 4 square times pi times minus 0.01 equals to 4.02 cubic meters per minute.